Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I just want to discuss two simple things which are coming in Godot 4.4. Now Godot 4.4 is still not released at the time of me recording this video, but Godot 4.4 beta 1 has been released, and this two APIs which I'm excited about are for Android developers. So if you're not Android developer, you can stop watching this video. But two APIs which have been added, which can make your life a lot easy even if you're not an Android developer. So the first thing is this particular thing. So I was going through this particular blog which they have just posted. First one is the support for native file picker in Android. So here you can see they have again, I'm not going to show you any demos because I'm waiting for 4.4 to completely release, and then maybe I will try this out. But here you can see they have implemented a native file picker support thanks to this guy, Anish Mishra, I guess. Anish Mishra, yeah. So he's an Indian as well. But yeah, hopefully so yeah, this will help you to save your time a lot on things. I'm not sure what they mean by file picker. I am hoping it will support image picking, video picking, all that kind of stuff. So here you can see they have done it for image, or is it only for image? I'm not really sure. They have just mentioned file picker, so I hope it is for everything, like file, a normal file, or any kind of a file, as long as we pass it some MIME type, image, video, audio, that would be great. So this is one of the APIs which I really liked. And the second API, which according to me is even better, is this particular I don't know, this seems like a wrong name to me. Basically, if you go through this, for example, APIs bundled inside the Android OS, no additional setup is required and can be directly accessed using this new plugin. So again, I'm not sure if we have to install this plugin or will this be bundled with Godot 4.4. but I saw this particular pull request, and basically we don't have to write any native Android Java or Kotlin code. That's what I'm assuming. Again, I have not really tried this out, but here you can see this guy, I think this guy is a champion of doing Android stuff on Godot, Fredia. So basically we just write normal GdScript code, but we get access to all the Android APIs. So you don't have to write all the Android Kotlin and Java code. So this would be really helpful for everyone. So here you can, it is mentioned, so as long as the library or SDK is written in Java or Kotlin, it only needs to be included in the build process via the editor export plugin get Android libraries on editor export plugin get Android dependencies. So if you have followed my making of Android plugin videos, which I have made a lot for Godot game engine, this is imported in the, I think, the template file, export scripts template, something like that. So this is fine, but I'm still like curious how all this code generation happens behind the scene. I have seen a similar approach for Flutter as well, but I have not seen lot many people using it. Like I can understand, suppose an example of vibration API. Now this is built within the Android OS itself, so I can understand directly accessing it from this. But if it is a library, we need to add it with the help of this get Android dependency, and I don't know, somehow I'm not sure how they are doing code generation for it so that we can automatically access it from Godot side, or how will the APIs look from Godot side or GdScript side specifically, if the main API itself is written in Kotlin. So that would be interesting to see. I'm not sure if it is an extremely complex library, will it directly work with the help of code generation? I'm assuming they might be doing some kind of code generation behind the scenes, but yeah, it would be interesting to see what all kind of library it supports. So yeah, these are the two APIs. Nothing as of yet for iOS, and I don't think something similar will be achieved for iOS anytime soon, because as far as I know, this Godot project does not have a specific iOS guy, just like Fredia, this particular guy, again sorry for butchering his name, but this guy is for Android specific stuff on Godot. As far as I know, Godot does not have an iOS specific guy. So yeah, I know that there's this other guy who created Swift Godot, but he's not directly working with the Godot project. So yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, at least for Android we are getting something better. So yeah, I'm interested to see how exactly this plays out. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.